Hi guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to make goat milk shake. It's super good. It's the best shake I've ever had. So these are the ingredients. We just use stevia, but you can use any sugar you want. Obviously strawberries, honey, and a blender, and your goat milk. So we start by putting some goat milk in. I can't do it while I'm holding the camera, so hold on. About that much milk, a little bit above that first level, just a little bit. And now the next is a full cup of stevia. Let me see if I can get this with my left hand. Oh, I don't think I can. Hold on. Okay, here it is, a cup. That's all we had. It was almost to the ground, but that should be enough. Pour it in slowly so it doesn't make tons of dust, and then you'll inhale it. It's not good. And then, so this is honey, but it's a little old, but doesn't expire. So I have to use this to get it out. So here we go. Here it is, just about that much, not too much, or else it'll be way too sweet. Now I gotta get it off. Slowly drop. Okay, I'll get it all off. Okay, we're done with honey. Now we gotta add the strawberries. Now I start off with 2 full handfuls, and man, are they cold and big. But I start off with 2 full handfuls, try to make sure they're all broken and not any big chunks, or else it'll make it super hard for blending. Now we like making our shakes thick, so that's why we don't do that much milk. Now I have to do this with my right hand, so I'll deposit it. Okay, I got that there, and then here we have the best lid ever. It's for families that lose their original lid, and it's super cool. You have to put it on top and hold it down with your hand so it doesn't come flying off and make a giant whole mess in your house. Now, I'll show you when it's done blended. Here's the finished product. It should look, I'll see if it'll focus, there you go. But it should look kind of like this. Not any big chunks, not, well, it depends on how you like it, but we like it kind of thick. So if you want to milk thinner, just add more milk and less strawberries. But yeah, there you have it.
Bye, guys.
Bye.